stretch across the right inner thigh. Exhaling to fold. Inhaling to lift, this time reaching the right hand up. Inhaling as you open your chest. Exhaling to fold. Inhale, we lift the gaze. And this time as we exhale, hands come back to frame the left foot, turning the toes to face the front. We meet in our low lunge. Plant your hands, we're sending it all the way back, three-legged dog. Inhale. And exhale, left foot comes to the outside of the left hand. We're in our lizard lunge, dropping the hips, squeezing the shoulder blades to lift the chest. We're really feeling that stretch in the right hip flexor, the inner left thigh. Inhale and exhale. So next, inhale, bring that right hand towards the edge of the mat and reach the left hand up. It's a very wide, easy twist, opening the chest towards the ceiling. And as you next exhale, gaze can come down to the mat. Weights in the left foot, right hand, we're stepping that right foot all the way forwards. Dropping your glutes, we're coming to sit. And then we drop the left knee, bring that left foot into the inner right thigh. Inhale, reach the hands up. Exhale, twist slightly so you're facing